Let's go thrifting at the regular Goodwill in Hernando, Mississippi. This is some interesting furniture right here. 5-piece set for $40. It's like a bamboo, I don't know, kind of mountain lodge look to it. It's this metal it is. That'd be great for outdoors. Only $17 for this. Do I need this in my porch? I don't know. I might. I'll have to think about that. I've not checked the linens in a while, so let's walk through them kind of quickly. I don't normally find stuff here, but you know, you gotta look. If you never look, you're never gonna find nothing. Oh, here's some little, I don't like the colors on that, but look at these. Oh, it's soft too. This is some good yarn. $3. Okay, I might have to pull these out and look at them. I really like the pink, and I really like this one. Just long and skinny. I thought maybe it was a baby blanket, but I'm not sure. All right, let's see what else they have. Not seeing anything. There's a bunch of little galvanized pumpkins. $1.99 for these pieces. They are originally $3.99. That looks like a Joann's tag, but I'm not sure. Oh, this is at home. These would be cute if they were rusty. Rusty little pumpkin picture holders. That would be adorable. Let's see. Set of china. $40 for this set. I would definitely grab those if they were like 59 cents or something, but for $1.99, I think I'm gonna pass on those. I recognize this canister set. This is from Kirkland's, and it's so pretty. Let's see what the price is. It's $4.99 for this one, so I bet this one is $5.99. Let's see. Pulling off the top so I can lift them up. Oh, wait, this one's $3.99, y'all. And this one is $4.99. Okay, that makes sense. Ooh, a cute pale little yellow picture. I love this. It is $3.99. The shelves look bare, but I do see a giant pear. Sorry, I could not help it. Here's some little gourds for 99 cents, and then I just saw something really weird. Look. It's an empty pair of overalls. What is this for? It is Burton & Burton, $4.99. What do you put in this? Like a plant? I have no idea. I see a little cat shelf sitter. I love these. And this one is actually iridescent. Do y'all see that? $3.99, made in Taiwan. The iridescent is not necessarily my style, but I do feel like somebody would absolutely love this. So for $3.99, I think I'm gonna get it. So these you can put on a shelf or a stack of books and it just looks over it. I love these. I think this was like a ceramic piece, and so I found them before, hand painted, just all kind of different colors. This comes from the Dollar Tree because I actually bought one for rent a long time ago, and it is blue, and it's $2.99. That was back when the Dollar Tree was actually $1. Not anymore. A little stack of pumpkins, $2.99. This looks like some hand-painted stuff here. Some chickens. These are super heavy. They are $7.99 each. Here are some very nice heavy brass candlesticks. $3.99 for this one, and $3.99 for this one. These are great to put a half sphere on. I like how it has a big top because, you know, you could put floral like a half sphere. You could put a candle right there with a candle ring. That would be pretty. Or you could put a figurine or something. I see another candle right here. I thought it was wood, but it's not. It's heavy metal. This one is $3.99 too. I don't know, should I get this one? I really like the color on it. And I also like the details. It kind of looks like a little spindle. I love this piece. Look at all the crazing on here. I think it originally had a candle in it, but I like the pattern on here. The color is perfection, and of course I love all the crazing, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. I kind of previewed the basket section without y'all. Unfortunately, I did not find anything good. I have not looked at the Christmas section though, so let's look at that together. That's interesting. It's like in a little ceramic pot, but it kind of looks like an apple to me. Does it look like that to y'all? And then they have this little Christmas tree in it. I've been seeing lots of fall stuff coming out. This looks like a hand-painted piece. It does have a chip right there. Oh, look at the little unicorn ornaments. Look at these. I wish they were different colors. I would grab these up, but I'm not into these colors for fall. Oh, look at the little bear. He's cute. Actually, this is velvet right here. $2.99. I don't know. Something about this is just really adorable. Should I get him? Cute little Santa bear. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Here's some bins of stuff they haven't put out yet. This is some floral, originally from Target. Let's see what's the price on it. It was $24.99. I don't know what the price is at Goodwill, but I don't like the pot that it's in, so I think I'm gonna leave it here. I just found something in that bin. A lady was digging, so I had to move. How cute is this? It's like a little purse with dried florals. Oh my gosh, it is adorable. I don't even know what the price is. It's $3.99. That is so cute. All right, that's my favorite find so far today. What is this? Oh, it's broken. That's unfortunate. $2.99 for this little terracotta basket. This little golf plate down there. All right, we're just gonna quickly glance at the plates. Ooh, this is a nice piece. Older piece, $3.99 for this bowl. Look at the edges. That'd be so cute as a little tray. Yeah, we're gonna get it. Look how pretty this looks together. Ooh, this is a handmade piece maybe? Earth-born round, suggested retail. Let's see, somebody already pulled it up, so it's not me. Oh, $9.99, and they're selling it for $6.99. Okay, a few people commented the last time I came here that I missed the bowl that went with that picture. This is probably it. It has a huge chip right there and a crack. I guess not huge, but there's a chip right there. And it's $7.99. And I don't know if I need this piece. I just wanted the picture. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this behind. Anybody need a cherub teapot? Look at this. It is $4.99. I do really like the lid on here. It says 1994 CBK China. These mugs caught my eye. They have seagulls on them. They look like super nice pottery. I can't see the markings. It has a little lighthouse right here and some little sailboats, and there are 3 of them. Somebody else wanted to see the markings under it as well. I don't know. They're cute, but do I need them is the question. What is this? Somebody painted this. It's a little raccoon skiing. Linda painted it in 1993. It's $2.99, y'all. I mean, that's adorable. That's adorable. How can I leave this behind? We're gonna put that in the cart. I think this is the last aisle I needed to look down. And I'm not seeing anything else I need here. So I think I'm gonna head out. I think they're about to close anyway. But I'm super excited about the stuff I got today. Love this. Some great candlesticks. It's been a minute since I found good candlesticks, and I really like this. That would be beautiful on somebody's dresser, especially if they have a wood or a darker dresser, and they could put, you know, their change, their rings, whatever they want in it. And always love these. I'm gonna leave it as is. If it doesn't sell, then I'll go ahead and paint it, but I'm thinking somebody might like this iridescent look. I think that would look cute in a girl's room. A little cat hanging down. Ooh, check out this tray. Oh, it has some marking right here. Can y'all see that? Can't tell what it says, but it's super heavy. It is $3.99. I'm gonna leave that here and head out for the day, but I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure. Leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item that I got. Do y'all think this was a good find, or should I put this back? Let me know. So y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all on my next thrifting adventure.